Hello student, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. Today I am going to explain the fourth unit of your book, The Word in a Wall. This is the title of this unit. This chapter is a story of a boy who took a scorpion with its baby to his home. He kept it in an old matchbox. How this act of writer create a great chaos. What will happen? We will read in this story. Okay. This is an extract from My Family and Other Animals by Gerald Durrell. The writer, as a boy, takes home a scorpion and her babies, not knowing the chaos they would create. One day, I found I found a fat female scorpion in the wall, wearing what at first glance appeared to be a light brown fur coat. Closer inspection proved that this strange garment was made up of a mass of tiny babies clinging to the mother's back. I made up my mind to smuggle them into the house and up to my bedroom so that I might keep them and watch them growing up. With great care, I maneuvered the mother and family into an empty matchbox and then hurried to the villa. It was rather unfortunate that just as I entered the door, lunch should be served. However, I placed the matchbox carefully on the mantelpiece in the drawing room so that the scorpions might get plenty of air. Then I made my way to the dining room and joined the family for the meal. Students, here is smuggle. It means सीक्रेटली, धीरे से, चुपके से ले जाना किसी चीज़ को. और मैनोवर्ट का मतलब होता है मैनेज करना. ठीक है. एंड हेयर मेंटल पीस, ये आपने देखा होगा पुराने घरों में या फिल्मों में देखा होगा. घरों में एक बॉक्स टाइप का बना रहता है जिसमें कि आग जलाई जाती है, तो उसके ऊपर की जो शेल्फ होती है, जो अलमारी, जो कि वुड, मार्बल या किसी और स्ट्रक्चर मटेरियल से बनी होती है, उसको मेंटल पीस बोलते हैं. ठीक है. ये चीज़. Now come. Dawdling over my food, feeding Roser surreptitiously under the table and listening to the family arguing, I completely forget about my exciting new pets. At last, my brother Larry, having finished, decided to finish his task of the day, that is, to burn the waste paper. To do this, he fetched the matchbox from the mantelpiece. I watched him interestedly as, still talking glibly, he opened the matchbox. In this paragraph, writer says that when he was served food, he didn't like it. He feeded his dog Roser secretly. He forgot his new pets, his brother Larry. After finishing his food, he took a matchbox in which Scorpion and his babies were kept. Writer was watching this interestedly. Now I maintain to this day that the female scorpion meant no harm. She was upset and annoyed at being shut up in a matchbox for so long, and so she chose the first change to escape. She crawled out of the box rapidly, her babies clinging on, and scuttled on to the back of Larry's hand. They're not quite certain what to do next. She paused, her sting curved up. Larry, feeling the movement of her claws, glanced down to see was what it was, and from that moment things got increasingly confused. Larry uttered a roar of fright that made Lucrezia, a dropped a plate and brought Roser out from beneath the table, barking wildly. With a flick of his hand, Larry sent the scorpion flying down the table, and she landed midway between Margot and Leslie, scattering her babies like confetti as she thumped on the cloth. इन बोथ द पैराग्राफ्स ये बताया है राइटर ने कि जब लैरी जो कि उनके भाई थे उन्होंने वो मैच बॉक्स उठाई जो मेंटल पीस पे रखी हुई थी, उसको उन्होंने खोला तो स्कॉर्पियन और उसके बेबीज जो थे वो इधर उधर गिरने लगे। ठीक है, और धीरे धीरे देखते ही देखते डाइनिंग टेबल का जो सीन था वो कुछ ऐसा हो गया कि जैसे ही लैरी ने उन बच्चों को और स्कॉर्पियन को देखा तो वो चीखने लगा डर से, और लुग्रेजा जो थी उसके हाथ से प्लेट छूट गई। लैरी ने अपने हाथ के मूवमेंट से स्कॉर्पियन को हटाने की कोशिश की और वो मार्गो और लेज़ली के बीच में गिरी, स्कैटरिंग हर बेबीज लाइक कॉन्फेटी। और जो बेबीज थे स्कॉर्पियन के वो कॉन्फेटी समझते हैं आप, जैसे शादी या बर्थडे वगैरह में जो पेपर कटिंग्स होती हैं ना जो कि उड़ाई जाती हैं, वो चीज़ कॉन्फेटी होती। तो स्कॉर्पियन के जो बेबीज थे वो उसी तरीके से जो है वो गिरने लगे थे सब तरफ। Angry at this treatment, the creature sped toward Leslie, her sting quivering. Leslie leapt to his feet, overturning his chair, and flicked out with his napkin. This sent the scorpion rolling across the cloth towards Margot, who let out a scream that any railway engine would have been proud to produce. Mother, completely bewildered by this sudden and rapid change from peace to chaos, put on her glasses and peered down the table to see that was causing the pandemony. And at that moment, Margot, in a vain attempt to stop the scorpion's advance, hurled a glass of water at it. The shower missed the animal completely, but drenched Mother, who, not being able to stand cold water, lost her breath and sat gasping, unable even to protest. Scorpion had now gone to ground under Leslie's plate, while her babies moved wildly all over the table. Roser ran round and round the room, barking hysterically. In this paragraph, when Scorpion started moving on tablecloth, Margot started screaming like whistle of an engine. Mother was also shocked to see this chaos or disturbance. Margot, filled with fear, she poured the glass of water on it. Scorpion was totally drenched. She was unable to move. She hid himself under Leslie's plate, but its babies scattered here and there. Okay, now it is that boy again, bellowed Larry. Bellowed means होता है तेज आवाज में चीखना. Look out, they are coming, screamed Margot. All we need is a book, roared Leslie. Don't panic, hit them with a book. What on earth's the matter with you all? Mother kept asking, mopping her glasses. It is that boy again. He will kill the lot of us. Look at the table, knee deep in scorpions. Stop screeching and get a book, for God's sake. But the grace and God, I was not bitten. Look out, there's another one. Quick. Oh, keep quiet and get me a book or something. But how did the scorpions get on the table, dear? That naughty boy, every matchbox in the house is a death trap. Look out, it is coming towards me. Quick, Quick, do something. Hit it with your knife. Go on, hit it. Since no one had bothered to explain things to him, Roger was under the mistaken impression that the family were being attacked and that it was his duty to defend them. As Lucrezia was the only stranger in the room, he came to the logical conclusion that she must be the responsible party. So he beat her in the ankle. This did not help matters very much. By the time a certain amount of order had been restored, all the baby scorpions had hidden themselves under various plates and bits of cutlery. Eventually, after impassioned pleas on my past, backed up my mother, Leslie's suggestion that the whole be slaughtered was quashed, while the family, still simmering with fright, retired to the drawing room. I spent half an hour rounding up the babies, picking them up in a teaspoon and returning them to their mother's bag. Then I carried them outside on a saucer and with the utmost reluctance released them on the garden wall. Roser and I went and spent the afternoon on the hillside, for I felt it would be prudent to allow the family to have a siesta before seeing them again. Here eventually means at the end. At the end राइटर मतलब उन राइटर की जो माँ होती है वो उनको थपथपाती हैं प्यार से और कहती हैं कि ये जो कुछ भी है यानी जो स्कॉर्पियन और उसके बेबीज़ हैं उनको फिनिश करके हटा देना चाहिए. तो एट लास्ट द राइटर collect babies, put them on her mother's back with an unwillingness, and then release them on the garden wall. Whole family have afternoon little sleep, and they मतलब उनको माइंड में ये हो जाता है कि अब स्कॉर्पियन और बेबीज़ जो हैं वो घर में नहीं हैं और वो एक सिएस्ता से मतलब आफ्टरनून स्लीप, छोटा सा दोपहर में जब सोया जाता है तो उसको सिएस्ता बोलते हैं. कम समय के लिए सोना, छोटी सी नींद, उसको सिएस्ता बोलते हैं. तो जब फैमिली को इस चीज़ के बिलीव हो गया कि अब स्कॉर्पियन और बेबीज़ नहीं हैं, राइटर ने उन सब को हटा दिया है, तब वो बहुत ही रिलैक्स होकर के दोपहर की नींद लेते हैं. ओके, these are the word meaning of this lesson you have to learn. And now to come to the exercise. I completely forget my exciting new pets. ये वैसे ही है जैसे कि ये इसका स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है और इस पर बेस्ड ये क्वेश्चन है. इनका आंसर आपको ढूंढना है. जैसे व्हाट डू एक्साइटिंग न्यू पेट्स रेफर टू, तो एक्साइटिंग न्यू पेट्स क्या रेफर कर रहे थे? स्कॉर्पियन एंड इट्स बेबीज़. Who is the speaker? Writer, narrator. Why did he forget them? Because he started listening the argument of the family. Where had he left them? कहाँ पे रखा था उनको उसने? Mental piece, on the mental piece of the drawing room. Okay. Second, B. Take the correct option. He found the fat female scorpion in, कहाँ मिली थी उसको वो? The wall. The color of the scorpion was blue, black, chocolate brown, green. None of the, इसमें से कोई भी नहीं था, तो ये right option is the none of these. Now the scorpion liked cool places, the sun, jam jars. None of these. ये भी option सही नहीं है, then the last one is correct. None of these. Gary took the family of scorpion into the house in a matchbox. Roser beat Lucrezia because he was a servant, thought her to be the responsible party, didn't like her, and none of these. Then the right option is thought her to be the responsible party. C. Fill in the blanks. The writer, as a boy, take home a fat female scorpion and her babies. I maneuvered the mother and family into a matchbox. She crawled out of the box rapidly, her babies clinging on and scuttled on the back of Larry's hand. Mother, completely bewildered by this sudden chaos, Rosa ran round and round the room, barking hysterically. Okay, and answer the following question. So, student, question answer, word meaning, make sentence, and hard word. I will send these in PDF through WhatsApp. Okay. Now come to vocabulary. Make sentences with the following word. ये वर्ड्स हैं और इनके सेंटेंसेस आपको बनाने हैं. You have to frame yourself. And now solve the following puzzle by filling antonyms of the word given below. Across और down, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको इन वर्ड्स के अपोजिट वर्ड यहाँ पर लिखने हैं, फिल करने हैं. ठीक है, जैसे पेसिमिस्ट है, पेसिमिस्ट का होता है ऑप्टिमिस्ट, तो ये वर्ड है यहाँ पर ऑप्टिमिस्ट पूरा पूरा आ जाएगा. ओके, ग्रामर पोर्शन ये लीव कर दीजिए आप. लिसन टू स्कीप, ये सब स्पीक एंड राइटिंग स्किल, फन टाइम, ये मत करिए. ठीक है, ये एक्सरसाइजेज हैं. इसका ये PDF मैं आपको सेंड करूँगी. आप उसमें फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे और एक्सरसाइजेस देखेंगे. ठीक है, बाकी जो रिटन वर्क है आपका, जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन आंसर मैंने अभी आपको बताया, ये आपको PDF के थ्रू मिल जाएंगे व्हाट्सएप पर. ओके, थैंक यू.